The holidays are a wonderful time to spend with family and friends, but sometimes all of the pressures of prepping and shopping can make one feel like they're 6 feet underground. Nothing beats a personal homemade gift, especially when it's edible, and these cookies are the perfect way to creep out your holiday cookie platters. Crushed up chocolate sandwich cookies give the dough a marbleized appearance, and best of all, they take little to no effort to decorate. Learn how to make these cookies and cream tombstone cookies on this episode of RUE MORGUE TV. And pick up issue 191, that's the November-December 2019 issue, for the full recipe. And if you make this recipe, remember to tag me on social media so I can share your creations. To make the cookies, you'll need salted butter, granulated sugar, cream cheese, 1 large egg, vanilla extract, baking powder, crushed chocolate sandwich cookies, and all-purpose flour. You'll also need a rolling pin, letter-shaped cookie stamps, and tombstone-shaped cookie cutters. Using a mixer, cream together the butter and sugar until light yellow and fluffy. Add in the egg, vanilla extract, and cream cheese and mix just until combined. Then add in the baking powder. Add in the crushed chocolate sandwich cookies and the flour, half a cup at a time, and mix just until the dough is no longer sticky and it begins to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Pat the dough into a disc shape and wrap in plastic wrap. Then chill for at least 3 hours. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a baking sheet with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. Roll out the cookie dough to a 1/4 inch thick and cut out the cookies. Then use the cookie stamps or a toothpick to engrave your tombstones with silly names or phrases. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes just until slightly browned. Remove from oven and allow to cool. If these cookies made their way onto your holiday platters, remember to tag me. And if you enjoyed this recipe, remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to RUE MORGUE TV. You can find even more of my spooktacular horror-themed recipes in every issue of RUE MORGUE magazine. And if you're hungry for even more, head over to my website, thehomicidalhomemaker.com. Let me get it out. Sorry. I can't. Okay.